Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to reverse search photos in Google on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So, if you want to reverse search in Google, there is an option that allows you to do that, but first you're going to have to actually get the photo that you want to reverse search into your gallery. So if you have your photo saved in the gallery, you can go to the Google app. I have this widget that allows me to automatically access the reverse search option, but if you don't have that, you can just open up the Google app and press on this camera icon. So then press on the gallery icon, allow access to your photos so that you can access your gallery through Google, and just select the photo that you want to reverse search. I'm going to select this photo. And here you can see this option appears down here, and that allows you to reverse search, and you can also crop to reverse search a certain part of a photo. So here you can scroll down and it will show you all of the results. So it will show an AI overview of what the image contains. It will show you similar photos or even the same photos if you're looking for that, and just most of the stuff like that. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.